The main features of the management are it is an art as well as science, because as an art it is the sense of processing the managing skills by a person, and it is the skill set of a human being to ensure that all the activities are effectively handled, as a part of um, the organization. Science is the sense of developing certain principles or laws which are applicable in a place where the group of activities are coordinated. As there are many activities which are coordinated, it is important mm, for the for the management to have to bring everyone under the same page. So management is an activity because it is a process where there are very many activities which are related to happen. So in such a case, it is important to utilize all the facilities that are available, such as many resources being used, men, money, materials, machines are to be effectively used. So management is a continuous process, as it is having planning, organizing, directing and controlling as the resources. Management function of any one alone cannot work, so it has to be produced as a result in absence of basic functions of the management. The features of the management are it is actually achieving the predetermined objectives. Before even heading to formation of the management group, there has been number of activities which are planned, and all the activities will have to be thoroughly uh, mm, mm, planned, so that objectives are clearly mm, 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 met within future. So laying down of the objectives is very important. It is the result of any achievement of the goals of the organization. Organized activities. Management is a group of organized activities, and the group of people perform in a systematic manner to achieve all these objectives. Management is a factor of production, as it includes labor, land, capital and entrepreneurs. So it is like it is one of the effectively to effectively coordinate by the by it should be coordinated by the entrepreneurs. So management is a system of activities, as it is commanding many persons to take decisions and influence the behavior of subordinates, ensuring balance between the individual goals and organization expectations. So management is a very disciplined activity, because there are many activities which are happening there that are intangible, where you is unforeseen and forces will come, and it's that has to be fought with, and which has to be directed or redirected to certain path that drives uh, mm, the organization to function effectively and obtain the predetermined results mm, to come out. So management status as a discipline is also increased in the same manner. It's a powerful activity, as it has to achieve all these objectives. So it is a distinct entity where it has to be directing people to work, and how to get the work done has to be taught by the manager of the organization. So manager requires skills and knowledge to get the work done. So management aims at maximizing the profit, and resources are properly utilized to get desired profits. So it is important that decision making has to be done. That is a very important activity. So in this context, it is important for arriving at various alternatives so that the function would not get disturbed at any point of time. The decision making should always aim at being successful for the organization, but it so happens at times there is a possibility of decisions making wrong, and there could also be a failures that are possible to happen. Hence it is important for management to look in that angle. It is a profession because it possesses various qualities of profession also, and it is actually knowledge imparting and transferring in this profession. So it is actually combining many activities that are related to developing technology, adopting to new techniques, and including many of the related activities related to professional works. It has been considered under that. So it has got a universal application where principles and practices are applicable to all types of industry, and practices of management is different from one organization to another organization. And management is getting things done. So there is an art in which the work has to be done, as it requires lot of um, commitment and focus from the workers. It requires enough of effort that needs to be put in. So management as a class or a team has to be brought in together, where many engineers or doctors, how it would be possible to make the aspirations to achieve one corporate objective like that. Similarly, it has to be built in such a way that many people joining the hand should be possible to accomplish the activity of the organization, and with great coordination in meeting the task. Management as a career is focused on certain specializations like financial, cash, marketing, and industrial. So direction and control, it directs many of the colleagues to perform work and control it, and it is a direction and control that deals with various activities of human effort and complete utilization. It is always dynamic. It is whenever an organization has to work effectively, it is not going to have any static conditions. New techniques and other activities have to be involved and achieved, and it has to be taken to greater heights. Hence it is always kept in a dynamic activity. It changes, brings in lot of changes in the social sector and also in the business world. So management is needed to at all the levels, and it functions for planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and decision making. It's any management should set an example to be leadership for various qualities, and it has to be developed by the top level management.